guys. So now guys, one hand, but we'll do it faster. Ready? Okay. Ready guys? For the winners, we have the Marks and Spencer's goodies. Wala na akin sila. Okay, ready? Let's go Ate B. One hand muna, one hand. Use your right hand, please. Do not touch the color orange, purple, white, red, blue, purple, black. One, two. Next player. Ready guys, use your focus. Do not touch the color red, white, black, purple, orange, red, blue, black, orange, purple, blue. Okay, no double touch the ball. You can do the same options consecutively, okay? So when you choose two different colors, you have to choose two different colors as the next option. Okay, ready? Let's do that. Oo nga eh. 1 point, 2 points. Ready? Do not touch the color black, orange, red, purple. Next players, guys. Guys, this is just first to 5 points. First to 5 points.
So smart!
Ready, guys?
Galing niya sumayaw!
One hand first.
Natalo niya yung mga
One hand, do not touch the color black. Purple. Red. Blue. White. Purple. Blue. Orange. Red. Next. Last 2 points. Let's do this one. Okay, ready na. One hand. Use your right hand muna, right hand. One hand, right hand. Do the touch the color. Blue. Red. Purple. Orange. Black. Purple. White. Red. Orange. Black. Purple. Blue. Red. White. Blue. Black. Orange. Okay, 2 hands. Okay, ready to hands, guys. Again, no consecutive colors. So you have to move your two hands to different colors every time. Ready? Do not touch the color. White, black, blue, red, orange, white, black, red. Let's go, baby. Let's go, let's go. Okay, one point na lang sila, one point na lang sila.
Kuya Eugene, sanay ka sa kulay, Kuya Eugene.
Pwede yun, one.
Go, 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 John!
Kaya.
Go, go, go,
Okay,
John!
ready? Do not touch the color black, purple. Let's go. Photo guys. Photo. Winners of the stage, take your photos. Squish. Congrats guys.
Si Coach Raymond, sorry.
Ayan, picture na kayo. Picture kayo ito.
Bawal nakakakaba to.
Take a photo guys. Congratulations.